Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix resolver error ERR address unreachable in Google Chrome. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta open up Chrome, like so. And then at the top right, click on the three dots. Now click on Settings. And here in the left panel, we have here Privacy and Security. Okay, go ahead and click on Delete Browsing Data. Click on it. Now select all time in here. Now click on Show More and enable all if you want to. I'm just going to leave autofill and form data right here. Okay. Delete. And once that's done, go to restart your Chrome app. Just like so. Reopen it. And then check if it helps. If that still will work, go ahead and go to the top of the URL box. Now go ahead and type down Chrome, /net-internals/pound DNS. Okay. And then just hit on enter. Now in here, just click on clear host cache. Okay. Just click it once and check proxy right here. And just click on clear bad proxies. Okay. And then after that, again, close, reopen it, and check it out. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down control panel right here. Now find large icons in the section at the top. I got to click on Network and Sharing Center. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Double click on the network that you're currently using. Now click on Properties. Now in here, find TCP IPv4. Click on it, make sure that it is highlighted. Now click on Properties. Now go ahead and follow my settings. Obtain an IP address automatically. Now use the following address or DNS server addresses: 8.8.8.8 and alternate 8.8.4.4. Okay. And after that, just click on OK. Close, 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 close. Okay. And after that, go ahead and test it out. Open up Chrome and you should be good to go. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and open up your command prompt. Okay, CMD, run as administrator. Yes. Now go ahead and type down ipconfig / release. Hit enter. ipconfig / all. Right, hit on enter. ipconfig / flush DNS. Okay. Hit on enter. ipconfig / renew. Hit enter. Now type down net sh int ip set DNS. Okay. You can just go ahead and pause the video if you want to. Hit enter. Now type down net sh winsock. Okay. Winsock reset. Hit on enter. And then after that, it says here, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So go ahead and restart the computer. And once done, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix resolver error ERR address unreachable in Google Chrome. Maybe this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.